Since the pandemic began, our healthcare industry has had to transform. From receiving medication to physician visits, everything changed.
Patients today are facing a lot of issues. Access to healthcare is one of the biggest ones. Another issue is cost. Healthcare costs are increasing every year. And that leads to another issue, which is insurance. Not everyone has insurance, and that factors into the cost of healthcare and how people access that healthcare. Well, the pandemic did a lot to the healthcare industry. Early on, it presented a lot of uncertainty in the way we deliver healthcare. As a physician, I remember in the clinic, we essentially shut the clinic down to in-person visits. And so there was this immediate need to adopt other ways to deliver healthcare in the form of telemedicine.
More than 130 million Americans take at least one prescription medication, but many don't have access due to lack of insurance or providers, leaving a gap in coverage. Fortunately, there's a solution in the form of telemedicine.
The solution that telemedicine offers to patients really is both convenience and affordability. For a patient to be able to not have to leave the comfort of their own home, to not have to change or disrupt their schedule, that's a huge plus. It also allows patients to access a wider variety of physicians all across the country. And then secondarily, you can access the telemedicine from the comfort of your own home, and you can do it in a way that's a lot more affordable than traditional healthcare. When it comes to advances in technology and telemedicine, we have broadband internet, which is virtually everywhere, which has made things a lot easier when it comes to communicating audio, visual, whether it's from your phone, a laptop. We don't have to set up a schedule where I'm going to call them at a certain time. I can review this information in real time, and then I can respond to them, whether that's with a text message or any other secure messaging platform. And so that communication has greatly been enhanced in just the last couple of years through telemedicine.
Telemedicine is providing millions of people access to affordable, safe healthcare when they need it. Jase Medical is dedicated to providing proper access to medications before you need them. This protects against disruptions like supply chain issues, natural disasters, and other emergency situations that have proven to overwhelm our healthcare system.
Towards the beginning of the pandemic, I had a severe tooth infection. I couldn't get in to see my doctor because many of the medical clinics around in my community were closed. Because of Jase Medical, I was able to access my supply of antibiotics, take the antibiotics, and quickly get the infection under control.
My experience with Jase Medical has been awesome. You just figure out what you need, you order, and it comes in the mail. Then you put it away for storage, and you don't need to think about it.
The Jase case is a pack of 5 antibiotics. We put these antibiotics together very purposefully. They were curated in a way that covers the most common as well as the most deadly bacterial infections that you might encounter. In addition, it includes a guidebook to the safe use of the medications that is written in a way that's accessible for most people to be able to look up what their symptoms are and what the proper medication is to take. The idea behind the Jase case is to allow everyone to be better prepared medically, to be empowered to care for themselves. So if you find yourself traveling, whether you're overseas or anywhere where you might have limited access to healthcare, the Jase case is there for you in the event of bacterial infection.
As telemedicine expands, Jase Medical is ready to bring quality service to more and more people who need it.
Well, Jase Medical has changed and affected my life in a sense of security. I know that I have reserves. I know that if things sell out or doctors become impossible or hard to get into, I have what I need.
The process was so simple in the comfort of my own home, on my own schedule. I just went to jasemedical.com. I was surprised how smooth it went and how safe it felt. And then within a matter of days, I received my medication. It was nice to know I could just never have to run to the store with the masses to try and grab medication, that I have it here at my disposal and convenience whenever I needed to use it on myself or my children.
Jase Medical has changed the game in the sense that you can get a prescription online in 2 minutes. Jase Medical has changed my life. I finally feel prepared.
So as we look to the future, Jase Medical really relies on our mission statement, which is to empower everyone to be better prepared medically. We started that mission with the Jase case, but of course empowering someone's ability to be better prepared medically is a lot more than just that. And so as we look into the future, we're looking at other emergency medications, and then I mentioned access to the physicians themselves, where in the future we want to increase that access, where anytime you have a question, it's just right there at the tip of your fingers. You've got a resource where you can get a medical professional to give you an answer. Telemedicine will be crucial in how we deliver this access.
Secure your own supply of medication with ease and peace of mind.